Welcome back to our Introduction to Cohesity video series. In this video, we're going to take a look at how easy it is to set up a Cohesity cluster. We've already done all of the heavy lifting by racking and stacking our Cohesity block, connecting all of the cabling, and powering on all the nodes within the block. The cluster setup tool can be accessed by connecting to any of the free nodes within the block. All we need to do is enter the node's unique URL into the browser window. Let's log in using the default username and password. The setup has gathered information about our system and discovered all of the free Cohesity nodes available for us to use. We can see a quick checklist of the information we will need to complete the cluster setup. Let's get started. This slider allows us to select the nodes we want to use to create our cluster. The node we are currently connected to is already selected, but let's select two more to create a 3-node cluster. Here we enter the IP address and the IPMI IP address for each of the selected nodes and continue on to the cluster settings page. Here's where we can specify the rest of the network settings for the cluster, along with cluster name and the domain name. If we wanted, we can enter multiple values for information such as search domains, DNS servers, and NTP settings. Users also have the ability to encrypt their cluster. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to create the cluster without encryption. Clicking on the Create Cluster button will get this process started. We can see exactly what's going on under the hood while our cluster is being created via the progress monitor. This process typically takes around 3 to 5 minutes regardless of the number of nodes being added to the cluster. We're not going to make you watch this process bar for 3 minutes. Let's speed things up. And we're done. No more racking your brain navigating BIOS screens and complex matrix-looking interfaces. You have enough things to worry about, and setting up your Cohesity cluster should not be one of them. That's a quick overview of how to create a new Cohesity cluster. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you will join us for other videos coming soon. You can find links to those in the annotations and description below. For more information, visit our website at cohesity.com.